Recently formed through donation. It's a light donation of Mwkthang.
Kokborok je script by the process student of Lamsogo, a script by Rajya Sarkar, CBSE board of Scenaria, CBSE board of Scenaria. Zabardost Chini por Khlainani Mochwngwi. Yeah, student borok nayo neutral position. Je script by the process Lamsogo, as script by the board of Scenaria. Amo kachini main demand. They kaisa Tripura Haste ni 70% area ka ADC area. ADC area ni 16 lakh people ni bangai sub-divisional wise college tere apa ni bangai sub-divisional wise kaisa Khwlainani college kaisa ADC elaka kaisa university kaisa to dei kaisa angka student ro Chini je college por nairok chhatro sangsod ne Bising tei chungno parang kaijago torture kaijago Chini uporo Chini chhatro no daily no discrimination kaijago apa ni bangai reservation ST ro bangai rojaigia chhatro sangsod student council 50% ST ro Joto college no higher education reservation सुनिश्चित खाइनाय Chini अधिकार no सुनिश्चित खाइजाक
Koita demand tu rezang na? Koita demand tu rezang na?
Chini tabo apa 3 demand main ke to script issue dei kaisa enggak ke subdivisional wise edisi elaka college kaisa ke Khwlai university kaisa dei kaisa enggak ke 50% ST रो रिजर्वेशन मार नहीं स्टूडेंट काउंसिल
है किस लिए और आप लोगों का मेन डिमांड क्या है?
See, it is Roman script issues. As you all know, Roman script is all favor of our people. Even left from government, during that regime also they have a commission, Basa commission. That Basa commission report also, we found that Roman script is a favorable script. But I don't understand why this BJP government is lingering the issue. And as you all know, now we have a strong movement. The Pramotha is have a strong movement, especially the student wing. The TISF is organizing the protest rally, mass rally against the decision of the state government, the Bengali script. And it is not only Agartala, whole of the state that performing their activities. And hopefully the Indian government, as a state government, will take care of this issue. And you know, language is a sensitive issues. And Kokborok is official language, not second language. Most of people, they misunderstand. They're saying that this is second language. No, this is the state language, first language. Being a state language, they should have honor. They should have due importance. That Kokborok Roman script should be introduced immediately. And if the government is not taking initiative, this movement will go on. And now this sensitive issue, all students are now come forward to support Roman script. And if they not normally, if they don't pass this bill issue, then there are many means, there are many sources that we're going to fight for the cause of our Roman script, and hopefully the state government will rethink for the decision of Bengali script. Thank you.